I do this so much, I know exactly where to do it at, and not to get the pin to go out with this tool.
These don't have links.
No, they won't.
See, that's, whoa. That's something I'm not
It's
used
fine. You
to.
just gotta make sure that don't fall out. As long as that don't fall out, you can get it back together. So that's that. Bring it out. Hopefully it'll go through. Yep.
Probably should have got some gloves, huh?
That's probably the nastiest part right there. It's just that.
Nasty.
All right, now Allen bolt. Well, let's take the pedal off first. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, other way opposite. Some people, you know, for the longest time, I always would forget. I'd take and switch pedals so much, but I still would forget that drive side is righty tighty, lefty loosey, and the pass side is opposite. So that come with a other crank arm?
Yes.
It did.
Goes.
Sorry, cable. I hate to do that to you, but we gotta have you out the way. So we take that off. Then you want to undo your cable. You can leave that thing on. You want to undo this one, just so it's loose. We'll probably take it completely off.
Yeah, I just slide it up, honestly.
And now the crank on this side. You want to take it all the way off?
Just loosen it up so we can raise it.
Or just take it off. It's already.
Oh, it's already hinged, isn't
Might
it?
as well just take it off.
Yeah, it's got a nice little hinge on that side. She is out of there.
Voila. Yeah, nothing's wrong with the 3x, but it's just nice to have bigger rings. We don't even shift much up here. I think that's why a lot of the mountain bike people changed up from the 3x to the 1x, because they never shift up here.
All right, what size was that one now? Way bigger than that.
T8.
Either 10
And
it's 8. You want this or you want the bigger with an adapter?
okay, now we need. Tool. Yeah, oh, you got the one.
Yeah, this is the tool you need to pull the crank off with.
So, always pull it back. You don't want that out at all. Get it in there. Some people will tighten that. You don't really have to. Just make sure it's snug on there.
Strong one, huh?
Yeah, I'll have to turn it. You want to do it?
Ready?
You go ahead.
Jesus.
Let's make sure they're on there, Will. It's coming.
Voila. It's for everything there.
Okay.
Yeah. Probably need to clean that off while I got it off of there, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, this for dirty or not?
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's just it's sand and everything else.
I'm sure there's a lot of people with fancy bikes that would never do that, what we just did with these bikes.
What?
Even with one of these, they'd be afraid that sand's going to get in the motor or something.
It's gonna be loose.
Kind of looks like it'll go.
Oh, the truth.
Yeah, I won't know until you tighten it real tight. It's close.
It's already not touching.
That's good. Oh yeah, it'll work. Perfect.
How close everything is, though.
That's how it is on that bike.
Oh.
No, it's
is
on.
It recording?
It's recording.
Okay. Look how close that is. Even the pedal.
It'll work.
Yep, it's clearing.
Yeah, it'll work.
53 tooth on the Philodo H8. Now we need to do the other side crank arm here.
Oh.
Oh, that'll come easy. I need the tilt there.
A lot of times I'd be thinking a lot of people don't even want to watch this kind of stuff, but there are a lot of people that actually do like to watch people wrenching on stuff.
People that want to work on their own bikes.
Yeah.
They know they can buy a simple tool and do it themselves instead of paying the bike shop to do it.
I know. I mean, I get it. They would try to keep the bike shops going, but the way things are looking nowadays and the way e-bikes make it so much more practical to ride a bicycle as an e-bike rather than riding a normal bicycle. I get it. I get why. When we was young, if we would have had this stuff around,
Oh man.
we would have not even messed with normal bikes, really. You know what I mean? Like, besides for the budget part of it, you know, you could get a bike for cheap. Custom bikes, that's kind of different, I guess. I still want to build custom bikes, but custom bikes are always like, I'm talking like rat pink bikes, not like mountain bikes or old vintage mountain bikes you're trying to hook up like custom. You don't want to come off of there, folks.
No, I do not. This one's backwards, right?
Yeah.
Junky derailer.
There it is. Talking about getting rid of this off of here. And we got the new grips on, but I got air. I can just pull it right back off. And then take this on out of there.
Where did it go? That's it.
At least they put that on. A lot of times when they was first selling e-bikes like Gay So, they didn't even come with stuff like that. Yeah, yeah, like I was looking at a lot of bikes before I bought the red bike, and I seen it come with some stuff holding it, but it didn't have much neither, really.
Slide it through that one. Voila.
Voila. See you later. That opens up some space on the handlebars too.
The camera went out there.
Yeah, actually. I love this thing. I need to get me one of these.
Sent you the link.
I love that. That got me so good at shots while we were up there up north. Yeah, I like that thing. All right. I think it's a winner. Ready to ride.